if I arrest you?
Yes, 38.
Okay, what's the address that we need to come to?
Hello, naamana maqashaa naagtaada cad.
Your address, sir?
Yes, sugan warqadda ka fiirshe. 4220 Winfair Avenue.
I'm sorry, it's 4220 Winford?
Naya, what the fuck are you deaf? I said 4220.
4220 Winford, sir?
Yes, you got it right.
Okay, and what's going on there?
Okay, this guy, he walked into my house. He was looking for a cut. Umar Khan Sana, and he hit me something with the head.
Okay, do you need medical attention?
Of course. Why did I call you?
What is wrong?
What the fuck you mean, what's wrong? He hit my head, you stupid bitch.
Okay, sir, I'm trying to help you.
I don't care. What the fuck you mean? He hit me and you telling me what's wrong.
Sir, are you feeling pain? What is the problem?
Yes, all over my head.
So do you need us?
What's she talking about? Yes, I
Sheriff's
do.
office, are you on the line?
Yes,
Oh,
we
yeah.
are.
Do you need us to go with you?
Hello.
That somebody can't have he is hurt.
Bitch, what the fuck? I am on my medication. I took my Tylenol, my Advil, my Deeker. What do you call? Kaniniga harka jilciya hatta. I took everything you're talking about. What are you saying now?
Sir, are you in pain somewhere or what is...
Yes, all over. My look, my dabar, my mother, my ill, my dick. Everywhere you name it.
So you want the paramedics to come and check you, correct?
Of course. What the fuck, bitch? I've been waiting all day. What are you talking about?
Sir, you need to calm down and talk to me. I am trying to help you and I'm trying to send the paramedics, but I need to understand what the problem is.
My hanun is like nakdale, so you know.
Okay, but you're feeling head pain, is that correct?
Yes, head pain all over my body. This motherfucker, he hit me with the bullets or something, or baseball, you understand?
All right, when did that happen?
This morning he walked into my house. He was looking for a job. The motherfucker, he knocked me out, you understand?
Sir, I have no problem sending you help, okay? The paramedics will come and they'll check you.
Aye.
How old are you?
ما يقدر يربطها قفت إنه شو كان سطح ما يربطها yeah لعقت بيشن كي يربطها I'm 62 years old I already have a girlfriend حبت حبت كتاجو يسويها عصب كجرت فنحضر لها بانكو هيا please I'm sick right now send me ambulance please.
What apartment number are you in?
قالي
Sir, are you in Millennium Point Apartments?
ولي أبي ودي هي صدع له لعقتي قد على يربطها كور.
What apartment number are you in?
محاك قال apartment number كو ما فهمت.
Okay, what kind of medical history do you have, sir?
I believe it's on the computer. If you check under my name or Shirwa, it will show it to you.
Yeah.
Right, يلا مرقان صنبا. واحد dadka weydiinay يسمعوك.
That's how it's been since the day.
What's your name?
أو Shirwa قريرة. Yeah.
And what's the phone number that you're calling from?
And I have no idea. I don't have my book with me, my phone book I used to write in.
Is your phone number 407-883-5636?
I have no idea, like I told you. Why do you care about the phone? I ask you for ambulance.
Because I need to confirm it with you, sir.
Okay, you get it. That's the number you said.
Do you not have an apartment number?
No, I don't have apartment number. It's just townhouses. You understand?
Okay. SO?
Yeah, we're still here.
Sir, do you have a townhouse number?
No, I think 4220.
Okay. So we definitely need you to go with us. We're on our way.
Okay.
I'll let them know.
Sir, stay on the phone with the sheriff's office, okay?
Okay, baby.
Do you need to talk to him, SO?
I'm going to try.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes,
The
Habib.
guy that hit you, is he still there?
Yes, he's wandering around the house. The guy is crazy.
He white, black, or Hispanic?
How am I supposed to know? The motherfucker knocked me out.
What does he look to you?
I think one of Sheikh Sharif's lost children.
He looks like what?
Sheikh Sharif's children from Sudan, I think, somewhere.
Okay, what's his skin color?
How am I supposed to know? I was unconscious.
Know what color clothes he's wearing?
Yeah. No, unconscious, yes. I've
Okay,
English
so we'll have somebody come to you, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. أني waxay noo tahay yaa ninkan la leeyahay Sheekh Shariif caruurtaada ma kala garanaysan naga qabso al-shabaab baa ka gagambanaysaa balan weeye al-shabaab inaan ka mid noqdo wajiga soo xirto yaa jalbaab iyo balaayo isku qarxiyaan al-shabaab laakiin aniga futashaari baan isku qarxinayaa shaati futashaari qabla iska soo dhigayaa balan weeye way noo taalaa labadeen haddii kale iga qabso caruurta dhashaada